Hey guys, it's Dana, and I finished another journal that I wanted to show y'all. I'm very, very pleased with this journal. I love it. It came out wonderful. It's a kit by Artie Mays called Beautiful Birds, and it is just that. It's beautiful bird um, pictures that just make this journal what it is. So I wanted to show you what I came up with. Here's the front of the journal, and I used one of the cards in the journal to make this front, and I took a twig from outside in my garden and hand stitched it on the side. Here's just a little doodad that I had picked up somewhere. It's got an owl on it. And then I placed these three little buttons because I liked the colors in them. I thought they went well with this rustic looking journal. I wanted it to look rustic. And it has a piece of, I guess you could say, what's this called? I can't remember what this material is called. It's a piece of cotton material underneath that I frayed the edges of it. It is full of lace, as you can see. Just full of lace, and I have all these little and never mind my fingers, I've got ink all on them. I just finished this. Of all these little dangly bits, a little owl, a feather, a birdhouse, another little owl, another feather. I've tied it with seam binding. This is the signatures on the end. I had an actual feather. Not sure where I got that, but it goes perfect with this journal. And here's the top. But let's open this up. It's a two signature book, and that I've gutted and recycled. And let's just get into it and see what it looks like. So I really enjoyed making this one, and I hope y'all like it. I like that rustic feel, and I love birds. So, and it's quite the alligator mouth with all the ephemera that comes in this kit. It's a beautiful kit that she's come up with. So the inside I covered with fabric, and I put a library pocket here with the name and the date. And then I stamped my stamp here, and I stamped "This book belongs to you," so you can put your name here. Beautiful, beautiful pictures. I've done some stamping in this book. All the pages are the kit pages, I should say, are backed with coffee dyed paper. I sewed those on. Some washi tape, some kids stationery. Here's a pocket that comes with the kit and a tag. More beautiful lace. Stamping, more stamping, and corner punches on here. I did some stenciling. Here's a color page. Some edge punching. Stamping. There's lots and lots of room to journal in this book as well. Some more stamping. Here's a little bird paper clip, and it holds on this envelope, and I'm not going to take it off, but there's just some stationery paper, some coffee dyed paper inside of there. Here's the bag that I've decorated. Keep some room in your heart for the unimaginable. And inside this paper bag is just some ephemera. Keep life simple. And then this is Tim Holtz right here. Here's a little corner punch that's a little hoot owl. And I put the piece that I punched out up top. Some Edith Holden. Here's a tag that I attached to the page that holds another smaller tag. Here's a tag that I just attached with a little clip, a little bird clip. If I'm not mistaken, that tag, let's see. Yeah, that's an over-the-top tag right there, so it's double-sided. There's a little glassine bag with a Tim Holtz ephemera in there. Some edge punching, some stamping. It's just center. Beautiful, beautiful kit. This was a cord that I found that I cut this out of and made a corner tuck. This is from the kit. This is from a paper pack that I had. This is a pocket I made with that fabric. And this is Tim Holtz. This comes with the kit, and I made just a little booklet out of it. You can write in. This is some washi stickers. This is an envelope. Here's another little book. I made quite a few of these little books with offcuts and stuff. Some other glassine bag. A little dolly. Edith Holden. There's a card. A glassine bag with some ephemera in there. Some little banners. And this little postcard that I sewed on. Beautiful, beautiful images in this book. I mean, in this kit. Another color page. This is a corner tuck flip. Some ephemera in it. This page has some corner punching on there. This is a little, I think it's a bridge scorecard that had eggs on it, so I thought it went in here perfectly. There's another little booklet I made, and it is in this little lace lined covered little corner flip. Look at this delicious lace that's on the corner here. It's just beautiful, luscious. Here's another decorated corner flip. Has this library catalog card that I decorated in here, and then this guest check. There's another little place you can put something, a little pocket. There's another pocket that I edge punched. This pocket right here is one of those that folds. Well, let me take this out. This is one of the postcards from the kit. I love this image. But this is one of those that you fold out into a full sheet of paper for secret journaling. I love those pockets. I try to use those in all my journals. I think they're so neat. Let's see if I can get this back in here. There's another corner flip. Another little booklet. Another bag that I've decorated. It has a booklet inside of it. It's just a lot of pockets, a lot of corner flips. Here's another envelope that is held on by a little bird clip. It has some coffee dyed paper inside of it. It's Edith Holden. There's a corner tuck with some ephemera inside of there. Here is another little glossine bag. Here's another one of the fold-out pockets with some ephemera. This is a little envelope. It has a piece of stationery inside of there. This is the middle of the second signature. Just beautiful, beautiful imagery. It's the glossine bag. There's another corner flip with another little book inside of there. Now inside of this one, I made like a little plastic pocket and put a bird inside of it. I thought that was fun. There's another bag with some ephemera inside of it. Another one of the fold-out pockets with a tag. This tag pocket is held on with a bird paper clip. Another coloring page. And we are at the back of the book. So if you're interested in this journal, you can find it in my Etsy shop, TheVintageGypsyGoods on Etsy, or you can leave me a message in the comments below and let me know. Thanks a lot, guys. Glad you watched. Bye.